Hi everybody, Jesse Jackhammer here, and welcome back to night 2 of Hammermania 32. Here's the rest of tonight's match card. We have a fatal 4-way battle royal. We have Dixie, Angela Hailstorm, Angelina Matthews, and Hot Fire Rose for the JWE Women's United States Championship. We have a special guest referee match today. It's Dave in real life versus Logan Windsor for the JWE European Championship. We have a tables match. Whisper Bagwell versus Tiffany Sky for the JWE Women's World Championship. And the main event of night 2 of Hammermania 32 is a steel cage match. It's prime time Sean Sanders versus John Breakdown for the JWE World Championship. Let's get this show on the road, boys. Boys and girls, guys and girls. Let's get this. This is the first match of night 2. It's gonna be a banger of a show. Anyway. Now I did that. Just waiting for it to load. Introducing first. She is Dixie. Introducing her opponent. She is Angela Hailstorm. Introducing next. She is the wife of Jeff Matthews, Angelina Matthews. And finally, she is the reigning and defending JWE Women's United States Champion from Japan, Hot Fire Rose. And here we go. Dixie and Angela going at it. Angela Hailstorm and Hot Fire Rose. Angela drops Hot Fire Rose on the back. Kick, stomp to the stomach. Knees to the side of her back. Angela Hailstorm's in complete control here. Angela has Hot Fire Rose up. Knee to the gut. Angela, punch. Angela punches Angela down. Down goes Angelina. Hot Fire Rose now. Jawbreaker. Angela and Angelina are going at it in the corner. Angela now getting lifted up by Angelina. Can Angelina eliminate Angela? No. Angelina and Hot Fire Rose are going at it. Dixie and Angela are going at it here. Hot Fire Rose and Dixie, Angelina and Angela Hailstorm. Man, Dixie over the top rope. Hot Fire Rose trying to eliminate her. And Angela Hailstorm trying to survive, as she does. Angelina tried to get Angela over the top, but she couldn't. Hot Fire Rose tried to get Dixie out, but she stays alive. Staying alive, staying alive. That was for you, Blaze. Anyway, here we go. Angela and Hot Fire Rose are going at it. She picks her up. Try went for a powerbomb, but Hot Fire Rose reverses it. Dixie, Angela, and Angela going at it here. Dixie over the top rope. Russian leg sweep by Angela on the Hot Fire Rose. Angela and Angelina now. She picks Angelina up. Power driver! Angelina got back up. Dixie now gets thrown up into the ropes. Oh, knee to the gut. Kick to the head. Dixie now crawling over to the bottom turnbuckle. Russian leg sweep by Hot Fire Rose and Angelina. Dixie's getting choked in the corner. Hot Fire Rose is punching Angelina with multiple punches and a kick. Oh, she misses the springboard punch there. Angelina now and Angela going at it here. Angela's punching Angelina. Dixie's over the top. Over the top rope again, but she's back in. Oh, Angelina drops Hot Fire Rose, but she gets back up. Angela and Dixie. Dixie now over the top. Oh, she's not eliminated. She's still in it. Angela and Dixie. Dixie has Angela in the corner. And Hot Fire Rose has Angelina on the ropes, trying to get her out, but she couldn't. Angela stays in. Angelina stays in. Oh, she's punching the leg of Hot Fire Rose. Dixie now is in the corner. Angela trying to eliminate her. Oh, face wash there by Angelina on the Hot Fire Rose. Angela now. Oh, Dixie survives. Dixie's staying alive here. Dixie's been falling over the top rope multiple times, but survives. Oh, Angela was trying to do some sort of move. Angela now in Hot Fire Rose. Clothesline. Down goes. Oh, Hot Fire Rose is over the top rope, but she's back in. She's on the outside. Double Washington leg sweep by Dixie and Hot Fire Rose on the Angelina. Hot Fire Rose now in position. What's she going for here? She grabs it, picks up on the shoulders, and drops it down with her knee. And Dixie now moves underneath the bottom rope. Angelina now has Hot Fire Rose in the corner. Angelina now picking up Hot Fire Rose. She's on top of the top turnbuckle. Hot Fire Rose survives. Angelina now into the corner. Angela now. Oh, gets the elbow to the face. Angelina now in trouble. Say hello to the top turnbuckle. Angela now trying to lift Angelina up on the top turnbuckle. She did. Can she eliminate her? Can she get Angelina out? No! Angelina is staying alive in this match. Oh! Atomic drop there by Angela onto Angelina. She picks it up. Snap suplex. Dixie eliminated. Oh no! Angela has Hot Fire Rose up. Hot Fire Rose has been eliminated. We have 2 eliminations. Dixie and Hot Fire Rose are both gone. We're going to have a new JWE Women's United States Champion. We're going to have a new champion tonight, folks. Angelina drops Angela down. Oh my gosh. Angelina now has it. Angela up. Falls over the top rope. And eliminates her. Here's your winner and new JWE Women's United States Champion, Angelina Matthews. What a win by Angelina. I'm very proud of this woman. She did a great job tonight. Proud of her. And Jeff should be too. And now the special guest referee match. Here we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hot 5 votes deserves her rematch. She'll get it soon enough, but no when. Oh boy. Night 2 kicking off with a bang. Now we have this guest referee match. One more match after that before the main event. Well, prime time. We become the new champion tonight in the main event. Or will John Breakdown retain? We'll have to find out. Come on now. Come on now. What is that? There it is. I'm skipping the ref entrance and nobody gives a crap about him. I do, but skip the ref entrance. Introducing first. He is the great. Oh, it is from London, England. My friend Dave in real life. And his opponent. He is the reigning and defending JWE European Champion, Logan Windsor. And Andy Price is the referee for this match. Is the special guest referee for this match, sorry. And here we go. Logan puts Dave in the corner. Elbow to the side, elbow to the gut. Now he's choking Dave in the corner. He's choking him out. Logan picks Dave is flying his back. Referee says rope break. Logan now picks Dave up. Power driver! Oh, Dave now fighting back. Springboard. Oh, knocks Logan down. He's going for the cover here. 1, 2, just a 2. Logan rolls outside the ring, but Logan gets back in. Dave now. Dave has Logan. Drops him down. Helicopter spin. Dave's in control of Logan right now. Oh, Logan punches him right in the gut. Logan now picks Dave up. Hangs him up the top rope. Drops him down. Logan goes for the cover. 1, 2. Oh, and only a 2.5. Oh, leg drop. Dave now is in trouble. Logan puts Dave on against the ropes. Punches him. Oh, I don't know what he's doing there, but it hurts. Drops Dave down. Dave now fall over. DDT connects to Logan. Clothesline in the corner. Dave now hits Logan's head at the top turnbuckle. Oh, Logan hits him in the elbow. Hits Dave with an elbow in the face. Logan now puts Dave in the... Oh, headbutt. Going for the cover now. 1. And only a 1. Logan's in complete control. Oh, what a punch there by Logan on the Dave. Oh. That his left. Drops Dave down. Logan's in complete control here. Logan now puts Dave in the rope, ducks underneath, grabs him. Dave punches Logan right in the face. Dave now puts Logan into the corner. Ice whips him. Oh, Dave got Ice whipping in the corner. Oh, misses the. Oh, went for the clothesline. Dave hits Logan with the clothesline. Dave now goes for the cover. 1, 2. Oh, Logan got his shoulder up at 2.5. Dave was so close. Clothesline by Logan onto Dave. Dave now is flat on his back. Logan now picks Dave up. Drops on his arm. Dave now. Logan picks Dave up. Drops him down. And then stomps on his arm. Dave, oh, elbow. An elbow drop there. Dave was outside the ring. He's trying to get up. And he's now counting away. Is Logan going to win by count out here? Here we go. And he's at 2. What's Logan doing here? Another power driver! And he's up to 3. Referee's up to 3. Oh! We got blood. Dave is bleeding. Logan hit him with a DDT outside the ring. Oh, another one. He's up to 6. Come on, guys, get back in the ring here. Logan drags Dave, puts him back into the ring. Logan's back in the ring now. The referee stops the count. Logan hits him with the DDT again. Drags Dave near the middle of the ring. Goes for the cover. 1, 2. Oh, Dave gets his shoulder up at 2.5. Logan now stalking Dave. Logan puts Dave in the corner. Dave hits Logan with the elbow. Small package driver into a pin. 1, 2. Oh, just a 2.5. Dave now. What's Dave doing here? Puts Logan in the corner. Elbow to the head. Dave now. Dragging Logan back into the same corner. Dave punches Logan right in the face. Drops Logan down. Gives him a face wash. Logan's down. Dave stomps on Logan's face. What's Dave doing? He's got him in the crossface. Dave has Logan in the crossface. Is Logan gonna tap? No. Logan does not tap. Logan fought out of it. Logan now. Oh, he picks Dave up. Dave reverses it into a DDT. Dave is taunting. Dave, stay on him. Now Dave, there's a twisted neck breaker there. Logan rolls outside the ring. Dave is taunting to the skies. Oh, suicide dive connects to Logan. Dave has Logan down. Knee to the face. We got blood. Logan's bleeding. Come on, Dave. Get him. Oh, knee to the back of the neck. Logan's not going to be... His neck's going to be sore after that. Dave now picks Logan up. Oh, dragon screw by Logan onto Dave. The referee's up to 5. Dave gets thrown back into the ring. Logan's coming back in too. Dave now float over. Oh, went for the DDT, but got clotheslined by Logan. Logan and Dave now. He's looking for the chokehold. He's got Dave in the chokehold. But the referee calls for a rope break. Dave's down. But Dave's getting back up. Leaning against the ropes. Logan now choking Dave on the top rope there with his face. Logan now. Oh, drops Dave down. Dave's back up on his feet. Dave hits Logan. Springboard cutter connects to Logan. Dave hits it. What's Dave looking for here? Picks Logan up. Oh, here comes the wicked stepsister. Logan's in trouble. Oh, stomps to the back of the head. Dave rolls Logan over. Going for the cover now. 1, 2, 3. Here's your winner. And new JWE European Champion, Dave, in real life. Congratulations, Dave. Whoo, baby. That was a great match. Now we come to the ladies. Back to the ladies. Whisper Bagwell and Tiffany Sky. Let's go. The main event is coming up after this match. Now, will Tiffany Sky retain her gold here tonight? Or will Whisper Bagwell take it away from her? We'll find out. Whoever made Tiffany Sky did a good job. And no wonder JW likes it. That's his lady. So anyway, let's go. Let's get this tables match. Let's get this tables match up and running, boys. Let's go. I don't want to listen to you, silly ring announcer. Introducing first. She is the wife of Jake Bagwell. Whisper Bagwell. And her opponent. She is the reigning and defending JWE Women's World Champion, Tiffany Sky. The only way to win is put your opponent through the table. That's it. Here you go. Whisper and Tiffany. Whisper has Tiffany now, hanging up against the ropes. Falls outside the ring. Table falls down. Tiffany now picks Whisper up. Throws her up. Oh, hits her head right up the ring apron. Tiffany's. Oh! DDT. Onto Whisper now. Tiffany's in control. Tiffany now gets thrown back in the ring by Whisper. Whisper now picks up the table. Throws the table down. And gets back into the ring. What a move there by Tiffany. Whisper. Oh, what's she doing? The Spanish fly. A standing Spanish fly. The Tiffany's kicking Whisper in the back of the head. Then drops the elbow on the arm. Tiffany's in complete control here. She picks Whisper up. Punches her. Eyes whips in the corner. Oh, power bomb! The Whisper kicks her inside the leg of Tiffany. Tiffany gets back on her feet now. Woman Superman punch. Whisper now picks Tiffany up. Eyes whip her over the top rope. Onto the floor. Tiffany gets back up. Picks Whisper up. Falls her into the barricade. And a knee to the face. Tiffany now picks up the table and hits Whisper with the table and drops it down. She picks it back up. Whisper knocks the table out of Tiffany's hands. Whisper now walking away. Tiffany grabs Whisper, throws her into the steel steps. Tiffany now picks Whisper up. Oh, elbow shots. Whisper hits Tiffany with multiple elbow shots. Tiffany's falling. Whisper, oh! What a punch there by Whisper. Oh! Tiffany drops Whisper down. Drop kick. Picks Whisper up now. Throws her right into the table. Her stomach gets falling right into the table there. Oh, Hurricane Runner! Tiffany now coming back off to Whisper. Whisper now. She's in trouble. Gets thrown back into the ring. Tiffany now picks up the table. Baseball slide. Then, oh, Tiffany drops the table. Whisper now goes outside the other side of the ring. Oh! The other table now down. 2 tables down. Tiffany picks up the table. She throws it down. Come on, ladies, you gotta put them through the table. One of you has to put the opponent. Oh, Hurricane Runner again. Whisper Bagwell now back on her feet. She's coming up to Tiffany. Throws Tiffany back into the ring. Whisper's back in the ring now. They're both back in the ring, but no tables. They're changing some chops, some pleasantries. They're exchanging some chops here. Tiffany now getting punched by Whisper. Whisper's fighting back. Reversal after reversal here. These two. Oh, Whisper's in control now. Tiffany's back. Oh, drop kick. Drops Whisper down. Tiffany now jumps outside the ring. Picks up the table. She has the table. Throws it down. Tiffany gets back into the ring. Whisper goes outside the ring. Tiffany now drops down right on top of Whisper. Table's leaning against the stick. Oh, Hurricane Runner again! Tiffany now stomping away on Whisper's arm. And then the back. And the camel clutch. Into the camel clutch. Tiffany has Whisper in the camel clutch. I think she tapped there. No, she didn't. There's no submissions in this match. Don't run away to put you through the table. She's going for it again. Whisper is now in the camel clutch. Tiffany's not letting go. She does now. He leaps over the stairs. Goes underneath the ring. She's grabbing a table. Tiffany sets the table up outside the ring. Whisper has the one table in her hand. Tiffany drops the table out of her hand. Multiple elbow shots to the gut. Whisper now gets thrown into the steel steps. Tiffany grabs her, throws her back into the ring. Tiffany goes back in with her, jumps back in, hops back outside the ring. She's grabbing that table. And finally, the table's in the ring. We got a table! We got a table! Tiffany now, suicide dive! Onto Whisper Bagwell. Tiffany now grabs Whisper. Whisper throws Tiffany into the barricade. She's punching Tiffany's face. Punching right in the face. Tiffany now gets back on her feet. Whisper kicks, punches. She's punching Tiffany like no tomorrow. Picks it up. Oh, knee to the gut there. Whisper picks up another table. She puts that in the ring now. She slides back in. Whisper's all pumped up. Tiffany now. She's looking for that. Oh, 3 tables! There's 3 tables out. There's 2 tables set up outside the ring. Oh! What a senton by Whisper Bagwell. Whisper now. Throws Tiffany back in the ring. Tiffany now. Whisper has Tiffany up. Whisper throws Tiffany into the corner. Whisper now. Knees to the gut. Multiple times. Whisper. Oh. Tiffany's down. Face wash. Oh. Tiffany's down. Whisper now goes back outside the ring. She's looking for something underneath the ring. She grabs another table. Now there's 3 tables in the ring. 2 on the not set up. Uh-oh. What's Whisper doing here? She's punching Tiffany, knocks her down outside the ring. Whisper now back outside the ring. Leaps over the stairs. Over the stairs, Tiffany now. Oh, she had Whisper up, but she couldn't capitalize on that. Elbow shots by Tiffany to Whisper's stomach. Tiffany now rolls Whisper into the steel steps again. Holy cannolis. This match is good. Whisper now falling into the table. Tiffany. Oh, she had a chance. Oh, she hits pop blocks, I think that's called. Table didn't break. Tiffany now. Folds Whisper into the ring. Oh! That a German suplex! Then the table went outside the ring here. Tiffany now picks Whisper up. Carries her over. Powerbomb! Here's your winner. And still the JWE Women's World Champion, Tiffany Sky. Wow, Tiffany retains. It's unbelievable. So now, it's time for the main event of Night 2 of Hammermania 32. Here we go. 2 men. We have Primetime and John. So Tiffany retains. Wow. It's unbelievable. Whisper put up a good fight there, but came up a little short. Now it's time for some Primetime. Primetime and John Breakdown. This is the match that I've been hoping to see. This match was booked. I don't want to hear that silly ring announcer. Introducing first. He is Primetime Sean Sanders. And his opponent, he is the reigning and defending JWE World Champion, John Breakdown. This is Primetime's moment to shine here. Can he do it? Here we go. John punching Primetime. John now picks Primetime up, drops her down. John quickly going to the outside, quickly trying to escape. Primetime says, not today. John's getting punched. Now John's getting powerbombed by Primetime. Kick to the back of the leg. John gets up. Oh, punch to their face. Primetime's down. For prime time be able to, oh, prime time now. Drags John into the rope, hanging him up against the ropes, kicks him, drops him down. Prime time, no time for stay on him. John gets thrown in the corner, elbow to the head. Oh, knees up. Prime time went for a moonsault there, but John put his knees up. John now kicks him in the head. John now in control. Picks prime time up. But prime time reverses it. DDT. I think it was a DDT. Prime time's going to the cover. 1. And John gets his shoulder up at 1. Prime time now. Picks John up. Snap suplex. Punt kicks John right in the face. Uh-oh. Low drop kick. John's down. Prime time now. Puts him in a submission hold. Oh, punches him right in the face. John's bleeding. We got blood. Prime time now. John's back up. John's in control. Oh, prime time picks John up. Hangs him off the top rope. Drops him down. Prime time picks John up. Prime time now. Misses the moonsault. Now John's kicking prime time in the side. And drops him down. Drops his one arm. Gets his other arm. And bends his, double knees to the back. Prime time is down. John continues to stomp on his back and on his head. He's doing it again from the other side. Prime time's in big trouble here. Double knees to the back. Prime time's down. John, prime time's punching John right in the face multiple times. John now, that's gotta hurt. John's, moonsault. Standing moonsault. Prime time's in control of John here. A punch to prime time's face. John now. Eyes with prime time in the corner. Kicks the sink into the cupboard. 1. And only a 1. John now. In control here. He was in control. Prime time. Ducks underneath. Spine booster. Prime time now. Prime time punching John. John now getting chopped. Now we get his leg chopped in the middle of the rope. John is just getting chopped by prime time right now. Prime time gets reversed. Rolls over. Prime time now. Hey. Prime time is dropping John like a sack of potatoes. Prime time's going for the cover now. 1. And only a 1. Prime time now. Making his way up. Does a whoa. I don't know what that was, but that was cool. 1. Just a 1. John's still fighting here. Prime time said, what the holy cannoli do I have to do? He's doing it again, but he missed. John now gets a knee to the face. Prime time. Does the top rope moonsault, connects. But John still, he's wiping his fingers on his hands on the mat. Oh no. What's he doing here? Whoa! What a move there by Prime Time. Prime Time now stomping away on John. Knee to the face. John's down. Kick the outside. Kick to the arm. Back to the arm. Prime Time now. Making his way up. Can Prime Time do it? Prime Time's on top of the cell, on top of the cage. John can't stop him. Prime time's over. All he has to do is climb down. Prime time. Can he do it? Can he do it? He does. Here's your winner. And new JWE World Champion, Prime Time Sean Sanders. Holy smokes, everybody. Well, it's been a great match tonight here at Hammermania. Bye for now.